see me, I have like this top knot bun that's just really sleek and high up and simple. And in every video and in every picture I post, you guys have been asking me to please do that bun. I've done many in the past, never one that's so sleek and high like this one. This is the bun that I've just been rocking because I haven't been liking my hair. I need a haircut, a professional haircut really badly. And as you guys may know, I'm a new mom and I have a lot less time than I used to. And I really don't want to put a lot of time into my hair these days. So top knot sleek bun to the rescue. To start, I apply a natural gel like this one by Alafia that isn't harmful for my hair, and I can reapply it over and over to restyle my hair the next following days without needing to wash my hair again too soon. And I focus the gel more on the front and back area of my head because that's the area I'll be sleeking down with my brush. Now with my hair tie, I just tie it up a few times as comfortable as it feels. And the beauty of creating a bun like this is that every time you do it, it never comes out exactly the same way, but that's okay. So every time it comes out a little bit different. And the trick to create a neat, sleek bun when you have curly hair is to split my hair in half and brush out my curls a little bit before twisting my hair around into a bun. And when I twist it around, I don't do it tightly, I do it very loosely because I do want it to be a little bit full, even though we're creating a sleek look here. And I repeat the same steps. I brush it out and then twist my hair all the way to the bottom, and as I wrap it around, it creates this really nice pointed twisted look that I really like. And lastly, I just grew my baby hairs, and there's no actual explanation to this. It's all visual, so you guys can just see what I'm doing. But again, everyone has their own shape of baby hairs, and it's gonna look very different on each person. So, not as hard as you guys thought, right? Super simple. Thank you guys for watching this quick little video. And before I head out, I want to invite you guys to my Life After Birth Facebook series, which is a series that's very near and dear to my heart, and I'm uploading it exclusively on Facebook. There's 4 episodes up already. Anyone can watch it, even if you don't have a Facebook page. My page is public, so just like YouTube, you can watch the video without actually having a Facebook account if you happen to not have one. But if you want to join my Facebook group, submit questions and interact, then sign into your account or create an account. And I've been uploading videos on there weekly on topics surrounding postpartum, birthing, and a lot of personal talk on how things have been going with me lately after giving birth. So the link to my Facebook will be down below in the description box, and it'll take you directly to my Life After Birth series. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, sunshines.